Here at Brimell Toyota, we have a pre-owned and Drive Shield certified 2019 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This SUV has all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. Let's take a look at some of the features on the inside. Starting with the driver's side door, this vehicle has memory seat functions for 2 different drivers, power mirrors, locks, and all automatic windows. There's also power seating and lumbar support, full leather interior, plus a sunroof up top, plenty of space for up to 5 passengers. And around back we have the power tailgate. This vehicle also has steering wheel audio, Bluetooth phone connectivity, voice recognition, cruise controls, and lane keep assist. It's also a built-in navigation system. To assist with parking, there's a 360-degree view and backup camera. And for audio sources, there is Sirius XM, Bluetooth audio, USB and auxiliary input. For further convenience, there's also dual climate controls, heated and vented seats, a wireless charging pad, and many more fantastic features here at Brimell Toyota.